Alright, this is the Dickies Big Yellow Cup window display. Just gonna go over how to install it. The cup itself is folded. It's got 4 tabs of adhesive on the flanges. Those adhesives would stick to the non-tape side of the stiffeners. The tape side of the stiffeners will attach to your window. So here's how we do it. Unfold the display. Start with the small one here. Remove the tape from the tabs. I pre-did this because the tape takes a little while. I didn't want to have it take time on the video. The non-adhesive side of this, we're going to tack into here. This just helps with the distance of the display. And we're going to do the same thing to the top. The non-adhesive side. And that's going to get us our 3D element. We're going to squeeze down on the adhesive, make sure that it's stuck well. From there we can peel off the back side of this adhesive, which will go to the glass. I'm just going to peel a little bit off because I'm putting it on a door. At this point, your glass is probably going to be higher. You're going to need a step stool to get up here at the top. Line the display up where you want it. Press it on the adhesive. And then once that's stuck, you have your 3D Big Yellow Cup.